So I'm here at an old customer's house. You might remember how we had made this autumn travertine vanity before. Our customer loves this look, however, they really enjoyed our new matte finish durability top coat that we offer. So we came back to be able to do this for them. We're going to be doing it both on this vanity here and on their other vanity that we had done later, their Carrara marble one. This is a really easy thing to do, and it gives a really nice matte finish and really helps up the durability of the countertop. Not that it isn't already very durable, but this just helps to ensure it's completely scratch-proof and not just scratch-resistant. It's really easy to do, and we'll just show you how to do that today.
In order to prep this, I'm going to need to rough up the surface with a sander. This gives the top coat an easier surface to grab onto than when it's slick and glossy. Then I'm going to want to tape off the walls near the vanities, just to make sure I don't accidentally smear some material on there. Mixing up top coat is a little different than regular epoxy. You need to pour 2 parts A to 1 part B. After that, run the mixing drill for 2 minutes. When rolling top coat out, you need to put it on in vertical strokes using one roller, then get a second roller to feather the material out. I use 3/8 inch nap rollers to do this. The matte coat looks really good on these vanities and helps to complement the patterns they have. The matte coat gives a natural look to the Carrara marble vanity, and with the glossy effect, you previously couldn't see much depth and color in the autumn travertine. Did you like this video? If so, make sure to hit that like button, comment below on what you thought of the matte finish, and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to see more art and epoxy videos. And from all of us here at Snowthetic, built by you, built for less, built to last, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching!